welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a kind of get ready with me. I use the friendcation palette from Dose of Colours again. I did say in one of my last videos that I wanted to do a look with the green, and that's what I've done today, and I just turned it into a whole kind of get ready with me. We're very fall, I keep saying fall, I am not American. We're very autumnal today with the green and the, you know, autumnness that's going on. But if you would like to get ready with me and see how I did this makeup look, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for makeup. I mean, that's a lie, I totally know what I'm gonna do because I wore green on purpose. I'm gonna do like a little get ready with me, I guess. I wasn't originally, I was just gonna do like a full-on tutorial, but I am actually gonna be going out in like 45 minutes, so I thought I'll do a get ready with me. So I wanted to use the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette again, because I know I used it in that kind of first impressions video, but I really wanted to do a look with this green. It looks so nice. I want to do a look with this. Prep my skin and then do the eyes first, as I normally do. So we're gonna pop on some SPF first because it's so sunny outside. I use retinoid. It's either retinoid or retinol, I don't know which one. And it makes you kind of more prone to like sun damage and UV damage, because it's like a part of my nighttime skincare routine. So I do have to always put SPF on in the morning. And in the winter I will put on SPF every single day. Of course, unless I'm going out, because obviously SPF, that's flashback's friend. Okay, so for eyes, I wanted to try this guy. This is a Louise eyeshadow base. Everyone's been talking about this, and I just thought I would see what the deal is. So we're gonna use it. Apparently you don't set this, which really concerns me because I'm creasy Karen over here. Like my eyelids or even my under eyes, anywhere, I will just crease. Oh, it's got coverage to it. Oh, I thought it was like a clear bit. Oh, okay. Maybe I do need a brush. It's supposed to make your eyeshadows look absolutely incredible. So I'm so scared because I can literally see my eyelid creasing already and it stresses me out. So like I said, we're using the Dose of Colours Friendcation palette, and yeah, literally my eyelid has creased already. How do people not set this? But we're gonna kind of, not set, but we're gonna highlight like the brow bone area. So I'm gonna take the shade Basic, which is this guy. Pop that here. I just realised this is not a get ready with me because I'm like telling you everything I'm using, but yeah. And I'm gonna go in with Necessary, this nice shade here. And I'm just gonna kind of buff this everywhere, I guess. Okay, so I've only used this palette once and it was really pigmented anyway, so I don't know if this is like the normal pigmentation. Keep this a bit rounded off today, which is a bit strange for me because usually I like to wing eyeshadow out, but I'm just gonna keep it kind of like that. Toro, I'm gonna go in with this one. Well, I feel like I used this last time, but fight me. And I'm gonna take it halfway and just kind of keep it there. So I'm gonna do like a really easy look, I guess. Look what I bought the other day. Bought some false eyelashes to try, and I got like ones that people recommend, so I know they're good eyelashes. I would finally branch out. I'm not gonna apply them today because I'm too scared and I don't have enough time, because I feel like I'm gonna take 4 hours to actually apply them. But yeah, I'm gonna branch out and actually apply some falsies at some point before the year ends. I'm gonna use some concealer to cut out the lid. This is my Jouer concealer. This is so good. I am scared to say that I like it more than my Shape Tape, but I have non-stop been using this. I'm going to use it in today's video, so if you wanted to see a different concealer than this is not going to be your video, but I'm obsessed with it. I literally just keep using it every single day. I can't put it down. You need it in your life, seriously. Just clean the brush off, and I'm just gonna kind of swipe all of like the edges of like the shadow onto it, just so you know you've got a bit of blend and there isn't like a full-on harsh line. I take Necessary again, which is the light brown, gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna go in with the green, so I might just take it on my finger first. This is Dirty Money. I'm gonna take it on. Oh wow. Okay. So it's gonna go here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Obviously I go out of focus when I wanted to show you. Look at that. That's so nice. I don't want to put it like everywhere on the lid because I want it to be kind of like wearable and not just, you know, full on. Oh my god. Wow. I want a bit of dark brown for the outer corner, so I'm gonna take Cheens, which is the really chocolatey brown, this one here. I have returned. I finished my eyes off and I just applied some mascara. I used my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So for my foundation, lost it. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter foundation again. I actually found a better way of wearing it for me personally. So first, I will prep my skin not with a moisturiser but an oil. So this is the ever so famous Farsali Rose Gold Drops. The elixir, it's just like the normal gold one. Prep my skin with an oil and then I do my primer as normal. So today I'm just going to use my Emani Perfect 10 primer. I feel like under this Colourpop foundation it just makes the finish a lot nicer for me because it is a bit more on the matte side compared to like being dewy. But I do really like the coverage that it gives and stuff, so I wanted to keep playing around with it and I found this is the best way for me. So I use the shade Medium 100 and I usually liked blending it out with a brush, but I've actually started preferring it with a sponge when I do it this way and it just looks a lot nicer and I just prefer it a lot more this way. I really like the coverage. I've been wearing this for the past few days at work and stuff because I've been just in a more full coverage mood and I've been obsessed with it because you can't really tell that it's like a full coverage medium to full coverage foundation. It just looks like skin, which I like. I'm gonna get they've come out with like stick foundations now, haven't they? And I was gonna try it and then I just thought I don't really use stick foundations that much, like yeah. I still want to try the Makeup Forever foundation sticks, to be fair, on the Hourglass ones, but they cost like £1 billion. Concealer, we already know what I'm going to use. It's the Jouer concealer in Creme Brulee. I also thought the shade was going to be too light for me. When this runs out, and I know for a fact I'm going to get another one, I will probably get a bit of a darker shade because this just kind of brighten up a bit. At the moment I don't mind that, but I know overall I just like to conceal, but it still conceals really well. Do not like using this with a sponge, like I said in one of my last videos. I feel like it just took all the coverage away like too much. But this keeps it, and it does say that it's a matte, soft matte concealer, but for me it's nice and glowy, like really glowy, which I feel like I like even more, even though that doesn't really matter because I always set my concealer anyway. Before I get carried away with setting everywhere, I'm going to cream contour. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick in the shade Cappuccino. This is 210. And I'm just gonna... I'm not ready yet. Oh my god. I have this new bronze that I'm obsessed with. So it's this little palette from the brand BBold. It was on Beauty Bay. I just thought it looked nice. And it's like a full-on palette. The highlight is too dark for me. Sorry. That highlight is too dark for me. This contour, it's a bit too light. Very, very cool, so I feel like it look a bit too grey on me. But this bronzer, it's got a bit of a sheen to it. So nice. And it comes with a really, really good brush. So soft. All of this was like £20. The bronzer alone is worth £20, I tell you. It is so nice. Then for blush, I'm going to take the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette And what will go with this eye? Maybe the nude one? I don't know, yeah. I'm gonna take this shade here and just... For highlight, I wanted to use my Amrezy highlight, which is my favourite highlight in the entire world. And I found out that you do actually, like, this formula is made to actually spray your face first and then apply it, like, so it's a bit wet. And I always did say that it applies so much better after you sprayed your face. I was right. Can't with it, like when it hits the light. Lips, 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 lips. I'm gonna use the Jefree Star lip liner in Leo. Oh my god, the first time I tried this, I literally had to take it off straight after because it did not work for me. It crumbled, and they were like the reviews that I read. So I'm gonna try it again today. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it like that because I just realised I'm applying a liquid lipstick anyway. Use the Colourpop. I have no idea if this is satin or matte, but I guess we're gonna find out. And it's in the shade Chi because it's all scratched off. I know it could be matte. You know what? I have no idea. Hey people, we are done. So that's what the eyes look like in the end. I like the blend and that peopleee's base. The end of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on this look. Also, I'd love to know if anyone has used this palette and what you think of it. But yeah, that is it from me. Subscribe as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.